Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, my name is Avrel. Welcome back to Home with a Naturalista. I'm actually right now sitting in my garage. I'm about to head out. I'm going to ZARA. Let's just count this video as my first vlog video. I'm just gonna tag you guys along because ZARA's having a crazy sale. I do need an outfit for tonight. One of our good friends, today's his birthday, so we're gonna go ahead and go to an escape room as well as dinner. And yeah, and I don't have anything to wear. I don't think I have anything to wear, but why not just go to ZARA and see what they have so I can find something to wear, you know what I'm saying? So, and I also have a Target run. I do have to stop at Best Buy because I do need a stand for my camera for the car, but I'm not sure if I can just wait for that for tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog that I'll be doing today. To be quite honest, I am nervous. I'm not used to having the whole camera in public yet, but hey, this is a way to get used to that, right? But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. It shouldn't be too long. I'm gonna do my best to, you know, take the parts that I need so it could be less editing for me. I'm gonna have some try-ons in ZARA, I'm sure, because they have some dope stuff right now. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so any video that is posted you'll be first to know. Let's go. This looks a little like a garbage bag, maybe. This is cute. See the detail of the dress. Simple black dress. Not too tight. These are corduroys. Put on some accessories, gold. What you guys think? Cute. All right, y'all. So I think this is a good look when it's tucked in. It's cute. I like the print, and it's on sale, so that's a plus. These jeans look really good too. I have some black jeans from H&M, but it's not like, these are more the jeans, not the jeggings. So I like this. Cute. I think this is a yes. So I wouldn't wear this with these pants because it's just like too much. But I just wanted to try the shirt, the sweater on for size. And I think this is a medium. And it's funny, I was gonna get this sweater when it was full price. And good thing I didn't because now it's on sale for $12.99. So I just want it more on the baggy side. So, and they have it in tan color too. These are all pillow covers, the decorative pillows. So I will definitely be coming here to shop for the decor for our guest room. All right, H&M, we see you. But it actually has a stain on it. Look at that. I don't know if they give me a discount, maybe I'll still take it and see if I can get it out. But this is a shirt. These pants. These are, but I always wanted pants like this. They're like the suede. Really cute. I love this shirt. So here is a shirt again, but I have on these green leather pants. These are the extra large, but you see the problem here? They need to be like this. But these are not on sale, so I might have to pass. But it's a dope color for sure. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I really like this because it looks like a dress, but it's actually shorts. So this is really cute. And remember, I'm shopping kind of for Aruba as well. It's really cute. It's different from what I normally wear. Throw some accessories. Hey guys, so I'm back and I am in the car. We're actually, hold on, let me turn this down. Don't want to get copyright now. All right, so I'm in the car and we're actually headed to the escape room that I told you guys about earlier, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So I'm gonna tag you guys along. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Let me know how I do, or how I did, because by the time you see it, it's already going to be published, right? So there's nothing much I can do. But let me know, because I want to know if this is something that you guys are interested in, that I can go ahead and add to some form of content for my channel. Maybe like it could just be like Saturday vlogs, because today is Saturday. So, and as you seen earlier in the clip, I did go to the mall, to H&M and ZARA. So let me know. I will show you the outfit of the night later on. But yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I promised you that I'm gonna show you the outfit of the night. So this jacket is actually from Pretty Little Thing. I got it like 2 years ago. This shirt is one of the items I got from H&M today that was on sale. And these black pants, which were $19.99 as well. And these boots are from ZARA, kind of like that cowboy look. Got this sometime a few months ago, don't remember. And then my YSL bag, ta-da, that my babe got for me. My accessories, Michael Kors watch, very old, got some accessories going on. These bracelets are from H&M a while back. And then my stacked necklace, okay?
Unless y'all two, y'all didn't come with no girl ass brothers.